What's up, guys? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I've had several people asking for an update of several different trucks, and it seemed I can't remember. There's so many trucks in my daily routine. I can't remember which is which, but this is the 17 GMC Sierra Z71 with the elevation package. And I've done videos on it in the past. Sorry, the lighting sucks. I should have turned the lamp on. There's a motion light out here somewhere if it'll come on. But this is just what they call the double cab, where it has the small back seat. It's not a full crew. It's just a very small four-door crew cab truck. It's four-wheel drive, Z71. Elevation. I mean, they love to get all their names and stuff on here, but man, this truck, this is a Cadillac. Sorry, the lighting's poor. Maybe I'll crank her up and pull her out in the light if we got any left, but this is more about hearing it run and drive than anything. And a mileage checkup. Let's see. All right. So, where is our mileage? Okay, I'm scanning through. Yeah, I don't know how to operate this stupid menu. Oh, here we go. Info. All life, 48%. We've got 24,678 miles on the truck. Nope, don't want to reset that. Tire pressures are looking good. 37 pounds in 3 of them, 36 in 1. We are averaging 16.7 miles per gallon with a best average of 25.8. This thing gets really good gas mileage on the freeway because it utilizes the cylinder deactivation that a lot of people don't like and a lot of people have a lot of trouble with. But you know, I think it's pretty handy for freeway travel. But yeah, we'll go for another little ride in this thing. It's been a while since I've driven this truck. I like this old truck. Yeah, old 17. I mean, I understand already, just from backing out of the garage, I understand already why people buy.
Made it clear, and the players that
I understand why I don't want radio. People buy. So many people buy these luxurious trucks. That's what they are. They're luxury trucks. And this particular one is not anywhere near the top of the heap. I mean, it doesn't have a sunroof. It doesn't have cooled seats. It has heated seats. It does have automatic climate control, and you know, it's got the nav and all that good stuff. It is four-wheel drive and got all the tow modes and the brake and, you know, all the power stuff you'd want. To me, I couldn't imagine any more options on the truck, but this is just barely getting started, people. A couple of weeks ago, I know I did the video of the 18 Chevy High Country of my uncle's, and you know, it's got everything this GMC has plus more. You know, it's got like push button start and damn cooled seats and Geez, just even more stuff. Power moonroof. Driving this truck makes me want a new Suburban so bad. Or not necessarily a new one, one that's a couple of years old. This based off this body style, this generation. Because I just think a Suburban would just be so freaking awesome. So a 15 or up. Maybe 16 or 17. Because they're expensive as hell. This 5.3's got guts. Oh, Chipmunk, you just barely made it. Yeah, this old 5.3's got guts. I couldn't imagine 6.2. Golly, what a hoss that would be. Because this 5.3 has plenty. Roll the window up. I think you can hear the engine better with the windows up than down. We'll pause. I'll be right back. Wanted to say that I sold the auction car, the Ford Fusion, the black one that I never did get a video of. That that was an odd transaction that doesn't happen very often. My brother, who is my partner in the dealership, he actually picked that up at the government auction in Tennessee, in Chattanooga, and he had it sold within 48 hours of picking it up. So I never got a chance to even see the car in person. All I got were the pictures that you guys saw. That was it. So I'm sorry that I never got a good test drive of that year Fusion. I don't have one of that Fusion, of the current body style. So sorry about that. That's kind of a bummer. But you know, we sold it and made, let's see, we paid $7,400 for the car, and he sold it for $8,650. So yeah, it was $1,250 profit. We tried to buy another one at yesterday's sale in Nashville, Tennessee, and it we probably should have bought it, but we kind of we hesitated. And you can't hesitate at auction, people. If you hesitate at auction, you lose. So anyway, I'll have another one before too long, and I'll try my damnedest to get a video. Sounds good. Sounds real good. Alright, so 25,000 miles on the 17 GMC Sierra Elevation Z71 4-wheel drive. No problems so far, just been a good old truck. It's about to need a new set of tires. The original Goodyears are worn out, so my dad's entertaining a 2-inch leveling kit, And maybe some Toyo open countries. Love them open countries. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good evening, and we will see y'all the next time. Peace.